If you've got this error message on your dash, then I'm going to show you what it could possibly be and try and save you a little bit of money. So the drivetrain error warning is various things. It could be a lot of different issues. One could be the issue that I found, which was the vacuum pipe on the wastegate actuator wasn't connected. The pipe runs from here all the way down to the bottom here to this part. Also, there's a pipe you can follow here all the way down to the bottom here. This is the wastegate actuator. This pipe goes into this part of the side here. If you lift this up, you get a better view of the two pipes. So this pipe goes into this box here, and the pipe comes out here. This is the pipe I found. It wasn't attached. This one, it was out. So I reconnected it, and then the error code went away. So that could be the reason you're getting the error code. Could be hundreds of different things. Drivetrain error could be anything from the turbo, gearbox, engine, everything. So, I mean, you could get it checked out, but if you check that one small pipe first, if it is that, it's going to save you a load of headache. Let me know you had the same error and what your issue was, and we could share it all in the comments and people to share their experiences. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Cheers.